What's up, guys? So it's been probably at least a week or so since we've worked on the Corvette here. Since then, I have gone ahead and bought a new starter and some heat shield from Summit. Turns out they had the best deal for something that I was looking for. So what I ended up getting was literally probably the highest horsepower starter that I could get. Best bang for the buck. So spent about 150 bucks on the starter. It's not like any crazy name brand, it's just a Summit branded mini starter. And I just got some basic heat shielding, that nylon foil stuff that we put on the other one, to try and mitigate some of the heat that's coming off of those long tube headers that I've got. So let's pray to God that this works, gets this thing starting every time nice and reliably. Alright, so here's the plan. Okay, here's the plan. I'm going to take the whole freaking wire off. We're going to cut that shrink wrap, put a whole new ignition wire in, and get this done for once. Alright, here's what we got. Got the wires pre-installed on the starter, ready to go. Right. So now we just slap this thing back in the car, and we should be ripping. Welcome to day 10,000 of trying to get this car started. On this installment, we've got a new starter solenoid to replace that one that might be bad, don't really know. So, got a new one. bought black, they gave me red. Whatever, don't care. Came with all the stuff. It was only 10 bucks. So let's get that installed on the car here. Get this old one replaced, and hopefully that solves our issue.